In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Capitec Bank app on your phone without needing to visit the bank at all. A lot of people think you have to go into a branch to activate or download the app, but that's not true. You can do everything right from your phone in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process so you can start using Capitec mobile banking easily. Before we start, make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. The app won't download without an internet connection, so double-check that first. Once you're connected, we can begin. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type Capitec Bank, then hit search. You'll see the official Capitec Bank mobile banking app. It'll have the Capitec logo, so make sure you select the correct one. Tap Get next to the app, and your phone may ask you to verify using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID. Once you confirm, the download will start. If you're using an Android phone, the process is exactly the same, just open the Google Play Store instead of the App Store. Tap the search bar, type Capitec Bank, find the official app, and tap Install. The app will start pay for your sales, your bank. You can confirm the app. No need to visit the bank. Once the app finishes installing, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Capitec app for the first time. From here, you can log in or register your device, set up your app PIN, and start using all of Capitec's features like viewing balances, transferring money, sending payments, managing accounts, and much more. And that's it. That's how you download and install the Capitec app without going to the bank. Super quick, super easy, and you're ready to bank from anywhere.